Have you ever wondered if the most advanced tools saving lives in the operating room are actually built on secrets we aren't allowed to see? We often trust our health to sophisticated monitors, but what if the gold standard we rely on is a black box that no one can truly understand? Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking study that challenges the status quo of anesthesia monitoring, proving that simple, open mathematics can match the performance of expensive, proprietary algorithms. Stay until the end because this discovery doesn't just change how we measure brain activity. It paves the way for a future where medical safety is transparent, reproducible, and accessible to everyone without hidden costs. For decades, anesthesiologists have relied on the Bispectral Index, or BIS, to monitor the depth of anesthesia in patients receiving propofol. This metric has become the industry standard, guiding critical decisions about patient safety and drug dosage during surgery. However, there has always been a lingering issue. BIS is a proprietary algorithm. Its inner workings are often undisclosed, functioning like a sealed engine where we see the output but cannot inspect the gears turning inside. This lack of transparency creates a dependency on commercial software that can be costly and difficult to adapt. The problem is not that the tool fails, but that we cannot fully verify its logic or improve it without permission. In high-stakes environments like the operating room, relying on opaque systems means we are trusting blind spots in our safety protocols. Researchers recognized that while this system works, the medical community deserves a monitoring framework grounded in open science, one that allows for rigorous verification and universal application without licensing barriers. In response to this challenge, a team of researchers turned to the fundamental laws of information theory to see if they could build a better mousetrap. They introduced two new metrics, permutation entropy and entropy of difference. Unlike the commercial BIS, these measures are derived directly from the mathematical properties of EEG time series data, offering a transparent view of the brain's electrical complexity. To test their validity, the study analyzed data from 56 patients, rigorously comparing these open entropy measures against the traditional BIS values generated by 3 established pharmacokinetic models. The results were striking. The analysis revealed no statistically significant difference in accuracy between the new entropy measures and the proprietary BIS. Essentially, the open-source mathematics performed just as well as the commercial black box. Think of it like replacing a locked, proprietary navigation system with an open-source map that is equally precise. You get the same destination without the lock. By utilizing models from Marsh, Schneider, and Leveld, the study demonstrated that we do not need to sacrifice precision for transparency. The root mean squared error, a key indicator of performance, remained consistent, proving that these fundamental concepts can serve as viable, high-fidelity alternatives to the established industry standard. The implications of this finding extend far beyond a single study on propofol. They signal a major shift toward algorithmic transparency in healthcare. By validating that open, mathematically grounded metrics can match proprietary ones, this research unblocks the development of monitoring systems that are reproducible and free from hidden commercial constraints. For clinical engineers and AI developers, this provides a concrete pathway to integrate open-source modules directly into hospital infrastructure and target-controlled infusion pumps. Imagine a future where hospitals can deploy robust safety checks without paying licensing fees or depending on undisclosed software updates. This democratization of medical monitoring enhances safety protocols by allowing institutions to audit and verify the tools they use. Furthermore, it sets a powerful precedent for evaluating other clinical indices across various specialties, encouraging a move away from opaque, heuristic models toward interpretable, physics-grounded frameworks. It suggests that in the high-stakes domain of medicine, the community is ready to prioritize verifiable, open standards over established, but opaque commercial products, fostering an environment where innovation is driven by shared knowledge rather protected intellectual property. In conclusion, this study validates that permutation entropy and entropy of difference are rigorous, transparent alternatives to the proprietary bispectral index for monitoring anesthesia depth. By proving that open mathematical measures can achieve comparable precision to commercial algorithms, we open the door to safer, more reproducible, and cost-effective healthcare systems. This is a victory for transparency, showing that we can maintain the highest standards of patient safety while embracing open science. Like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on whether you think hospitals should switch to open-source monitoring tools today. Next time, we will explore how these transparent frameworks are being applied to other critical care areas. So keep watching as we continue to decode the science that shapes our lives.